right, who do we have here today?
Michaela.
And?
Caitlin.
What are we doing today, ladies?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers. You
Yes.
trust me to throw you out of an airplane?
Yes.
You trust Mike to throw you out of an airplane?
Maybe.
You guys are crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we
Yeah.
don't make it to your next birthday. If we don't, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
Oh, it's my fault.
Yeah. How about you?
Same.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, and the phone. Please burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out some skydives, ladies. High five, high five. Here we go.
All right.
Here we go. Let's get in, let's get up, let's get out. Rock the skydive, rock the skydive. Oh yeah. Once again. Oh yeah. Here we go. What do you think?
It's amazing. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Feeling good?
Yeah,
Down the one?
Yeah.
The left one down, all the way down, as far as you can. Smile for the camera.
Oh god.
Feeling good? Feeling good?
That's true.
All right, we made it back to the ground.
We
What do you
did.
think of that?
That was badass. It was
You did
amazing.
great. You have fun?
Yeah, oh yeah. It was
Next
amazing.
time I'll let you open the parachute. You just
Hell
gotta
yeah.
play with my balls.
Okay, deal.
Great skydive. Come back to us again. Skydive Colorado Springs.
Okay, deal. Woo.